Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wondered how to get that competitive edge in PUBG Mobile, but on your computer? Playing on PC offers a massive advantage, transforming your game with better graphics and super precise controls. Imagine seeing enemies more clearly, aiming with pinpoint accuracy, and hitting those crucial headshots with ease. It truly elevates your entire gameplay experience, making every single match feel more immersive and far more competitive than before. So, what's the best way to play PUBG Mobile on your PC in 2025? The answer is GameLoop, the official emulator developed by Tencent itself. This isn't just any emulator. It's designed specifically for PUBG Mobile, ensuring optimal performance and fair play. It even matches you with other emulator players, keeping the game balanced and fun for everyone involved. Getting started is quite straightforward. First, you'll need to download the GameLoop emulator directly from its official website, ensuring you get the legitimate version. Once installed, simply launch the emulator and log in using your existing PUBG Mobile account details. After that, take a moment to adjust some basic settings, like your display resolution, to make sure the game looks crisp and runs smoothly for you. Now let's customize your experience. GameLoop has excellent built-in key mapping tools. These let you perfectly assign actions to your keyboard and mouse, exactly how you like it. Also, fine-tune your graphics settings. Find that ideal balance between stunning visuals and smooth, high frame rate performance. Experiment with mouse sensitivity too. A little adjustment can make a huge difference to your aiming accuracy during intense firefights, really enhancing your gameplay. One important tip: remember that GameLoop's smart anti-cheat system automatically matches you with other emulator players. This keeps the playing field fair for everyone. You can still easily team up with your friends, regardless of whether they are on PC or their mobile devices. Now, get ready to dive into the competitive thrill of PUBG Mobile, experiencing all the action on a much bigger screen, and have a fantastic time out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.